Hello class 10. Today we are going to do the next part of Union Parliament, which is the Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha is also known as the Council of State or the Upper House. Why it's so? Why it is called the Council of State? Because the members of Rajya Sabha are elected by the state assembly with the system of proportional representative system, or what you say, single transferable vote. We have done it in earlier classes, in the lower classes we have done. So basically our representatives are choosing the members of Rajya Sabha. So indirect election is involved in this, and this is the second chamber of parliament. It represents state. Okay, so it is a permanent body. Why it is called a permanent body? So it cannot be dissolved at once, just like in Lok Sabha. After 5 years, the entire members are, their tenure is over, and again fresh election takes place, and those who will get elected, re-elected again, they will come back, or it depends upon the party whether they are going to nominate them or not. But in case of Rajya Sabha, it is not so. It is dissolved. The term of the office for its member is 6 years, but 1/3 of its member retires after every 2 years. Means it's not dissolving at once. Every 2 years, 1/3 of its members are retiring. So this is why it is called a permanent body, because it can't be dissolved. So according to the strength or the composition, the maximum can be 245. Okay, according to Article 80, this is the maximum number it can have. Right now 233 members are elected via state, whereas 12 members are nominated by the president for the good work, or they have done a remarkable work in different fields like literature, art, science. This is science, social science and sports. So they have made a remarkable impression in these respective fields. Now 233 members are elected by the legislative assembly of the state by the system, as I have told you, proportional representative system. So this is there. Then how the division has been done according to the population, you can see it's there in your book. So remarkable. See, now Hema Malini is part of Rajya Sabha. Once all these people were part of Rajya Sabha. Now who can be? He has to be a citizen of India and must have attained this 30 years of age, and is having all the qualification which is required for being a Rajya Sabha member. And who is the chairperson? Ex-chairperson is the ex-officer. Chairperson is vice president. That is, he is the one who is proceeding the Rajya Sabha work, and he is the one who is responsible for the discipline of the Rajya Sabha. And to assist him, deputy chairperson is there. They maintain the discipline. To make this video, to make this more interesting, let me show you a video, so it will be much more easier for you.
The Rajya Sabha or Council of States is the upper house of the Parliament of India. It consists of 250 members. Out of these, 238 members represent the states, while the other 12 are nominated by the President of India from persons with special knowledge or practical experience in the field of literature, science, art, and social sciences. So how are these members elected? The representatives of the states are elected by elected members of the state legislative assemblies. The states elects members of Rajya Sabha in proportion to their own population. For example, Andhra Pradesh has 11 seats while Goa has only 1 seat. The Rajya Sabha is a permanent house and is not subject to dissolution. But 1/3 of the members of Rajya Sabha retire after every 2 years, and new ones are elected in their place. In this way, each member gets a term of 6 years. So what are the functions of Rajya Sabha? Like the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha also has the power to discuss and introduce a bill. The approval of the Rajya Sabha too is necessary for converting a bill into a law. The members can put a question against the ministers and criticize the government's policies. Then why is the Lok Sabha called the powerful house? As the members of Rajya Sabha are not elected directly by the people, money bill cannot be introduced in the Rajya Sabha as the Lok Sabha can. The Rajya Sabha can delay the bill by 14 days proposed by the Lok Sabha and send it back for the recommendation. But the Lok Sabha may or may not accept the changes. Apart from this, Rajya Sabha cannot pass the motion of no confidence against the government. So, the Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the Parliament of India. It has maximum 250 members, including 230 representatives of states and 12 members of the special knowledge area. Except money bill, Rajya Sabha has the power to discuss or introduce a bill. The approval of the Rajya Sabha too is necessary for converting a bill into a law.